to adjust the brake on the AMES extendable box handle. Now what happens here is this little plate right here, it's a wraparound brake. This gets closer and closer, and we need to adjust it out more as it gets older. So what we do is, we're going to use two tools. We have a 1/4-inch nut driver or a wrench. Okay, we're going to loosen this nut right here. Just loosen it. We don't need to take it out. Just slightly loosen it. Then a 5/64 hex wrench or Allen wrench, and what we're going to do is just place it in here and turn it maybe a 1/4 of a turn to tight, clockwise. So we're going to turn it so it's tight. A 1/4 turn, maybe a 1/2 turn at the most. Then tighten the nut back up, and that should adjust our brake so that it'll hold firm.
To learn more about ATF tools, visit the video resource library on our website, amestools.com.